Hi guys, in front of me is Tecno Pova 5 Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So at first enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Now find and select password and security, go to fingerprint, draw an unlock pattern if you already have one, and if you don't you will have to create a new one, and now tap on add fingerprint. As you can see, fingerprint is located on your power button, so all you have to do just tap on next at first, so all you have to do is to keep tapping on the power button till your fingerprint is fully added. And tap on finish. From now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Okay, so let me just enter the pattern and do it one more time. As you can see now, you can smoothly unlock your device. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.